This is step 1 of the system. Today we focus on 3 things: how to set up your guitar for faster and more comfortable learning, why your nails must be as short as possible, how to tune your guitar before every practice session. First, guitar setup. If you want to learn faster and play comfortably, it's a good idea to take your guitar to a guitar technician. Let me explain why. The most important parameter of learning speed is string action. The height of the string is measured as 12th fret in millimeters. Ideally, the action should be below 2 millimeters. 2 millimeters is still acceptable. On my guitar, it's around 1.5 millimeters, and it feels much easier to play. If the action is higher, you have to apply more pressure. More effort means slower learning. Can you learn with high action? Yes, you can, but it will be harder and slower, especially for beginners. So it's better to remove that extra resistance from the start. Take your guitar to a technician and ask them to lower the string action as much as possible while keeping the sounds clean. Next, your nails. Your nails should be as short as possible. When I worked at the music school, students often came in with long nails, especially beginners who didn't want to cut them. And here what happened. The students grab the guitar, presses a chord, and the sound is muted. Why? Because the nails touches the fretboard as the fingers can't press the string correctly. Because the nails touches the fretboard and the finger can't press the string correctly. As a result, the chord doesn't sound clean and we can't properly work on technique. It's a simple thing, but you can completely block your progress. So keep your nails very short. Here's a quick test. Stretching your finger and press the pad of your finger against the table. Your finger should stay straight and the contact should be through the finger pad. If the nails touches the table first, it's too long. You need to cut it. Otherwise, proper technique will be impossible. Next, tuning your guitar. Your guitar must be tuned before every practice session. To do this, use a tuner. Any tuner will work. It can be a phone app, a clip-on tuner. You play the string, the tuner shows whether the noise is too low or too high. If the pitch is too low, tighten the string. If it's too high, loosen. So before every practice session, check the tuning. What you should do after this lesson. First, take your guitar to a technician and lower the string action. At the 12th fret should be up to 2 millimeters. Second, cut the nails on your left hand as short as possible. Without this, clean technique is impossible. Third, tune your guitar and do it before every practice session. This step is complete. Go practice.